there, Tamas is here from Easy Automator. Nice to see you again. By this video, I would like to show you, and you will learn how you can combine manual recordings with intelligent generated zigzag lines, and how you can build one program out of this. So you can combine a couple of different kind of recording methods, and how you can really build one program out of this, what you can transfer to the robot and let you run. Why we need this? Because I will simulate by this video how I would like to code this screen and this screen from the back, and that you can see everything on the camera as well. Why we need this kind of combination? Let's assume at the edge I want to use a normal manual recording because this is a very complex and complicated path. But in the middle, this is far more easier, and this is just only one angle what I want to follow, and I want to cover all this area here, and I want to cover all this area so here. I would use for this simulation this teach pen, the spray gun from Krautsberger, on which I just integrate the teach pen as usual with the magnets. It is not recommended to use such kind of magnetic integration. We have quick release systems available with which you can really use a very professional integration. This is only just for the demonstration that you can see that even with such kind of very primitive setup it works. So how we do this? As you can see on the screen, I already defined my robot case station file with a cobot inside, 1.2 or 1.3 meters arm length. I'm simulating with a very basic tool and frame. The frame is, as usual, my wooden plate, which will be placed here. I'm not even fix it. I just want to have an easy setup for you. I just changed the home position slightly to this tutorial, not to have any kind of anomalies, and we can start over. So I'm just starting the Easy Automator software, and you can see here that I have the manual spray gun. So this is my manual spray gun, which I'm using as a teach device, and I don't want to change anything. At this time, I not even want to use the tool offset or anything else, because I will place it exactly to the points where I want to create and start the coding process. So I'm just hitting start recording, and as first I'm coming to the X origin, X and Y, and coming back to the origin. Okay, and I'm starting here. I'm starting here the tool. In this case, this is a kind of polishing tool in German, but you can define it to any other tool. And I'm just starting the recording. Okay, so with this one, I was just creating a kind of frame around, okay? So this is normal, all right. And then I can decide how I want to proceed. If I want to come from this frame directly to the start of the snake line, of the zigzag line, then I can continue up with this recording. But I can create a completely new recording as well, which I will do so. So I will just here switch off the spray gun. Just let me check Just want to see here if I'm hitting the right one. Okay, sorry. I'm not sure which button was the switching off the spray gun. Okay, this one. Okay, and here I just switch off the tool. So you can see here on the screen, I'm still in the recording mode that you can see here on the screen. I just created a kind of outline of the screen. Then I finish the recording. Okay, so this is Easy Automator, and I will just rename it right now, F2, and I rename it Frame Big Screen. Bam. So right now I know that this is the frame of the big screen. I had here a problem with the, okay, and process on, process off. Okay. So the next one, I want to create the snake line here. I will do this exactly the same manner. But for this, I need only a couple of points. So this was the P156 was the last one. Okay. And I'm just hitting once again, starting over the Easy Automator tool. And I'm just starting the recording again with the spray gun. Okay, here I'm just getting the warning that the inaccuracy was more than 5 millimeters. I don't care at the moment, and I'm just recording 4 single points. So 1 for the starting, second, finishing, third, area, and I want to cover with this orientation. This is the 4th. Okay, so now I'm just hit finish recording, and here we can see, so this was sorry, this was I didn't want to do so. I just want to rename it. This was P1 screen zig-zag P1. P2. This is the point 3. This is the orientation. Oh, sorry. I didn't want to do so. This is the point 3, and this was the point 4. Okay, now I can. This was the automatically generated program right now. I don't need this. I can delete this. And now I'm just opening from the Afterwork tools the zigzag generation file. For a detailed video how to do this, you can find the other video in the description. And I just want to use 20 lines with 5 millimeter approach position. That's fine. And this is my first target. This is my second target. This is my area boundary, and this is the orientation. And here I can see, okay, this is 36 millimeters. Actually, I want to have approximately 30, okay, 29, that's fine, generate path. All tasks done. And right now, here you will find zigzag big screen. And if we take a look, okay, that looks quite good. Okay, so we have the outline, we have the zigzag line. That seems to be quite fair. Bam, okay. And then I just want to come over to here, and I want to generate a zigzag line like this one. Okay, I will do this with the spray gun as well. And just let it open. And just start over the recording tool. Here I have a config situation because this is the last point, and here the program name will be zigzag small screen auto. This will be the automatically generated program, and I just hit start recording. So now first again the orientation, the calibration, origin, X, Y, origin, okay, and now I want to come to this position, okay, and then here, this is the second one, and I want to come up to this position down, and I want to drive it all the time with this orientation, however this will make sense. So okay, right now we'll just check out what we have created. We have 4 points, so I can finish the recording. I just rename it. This is zigzag small screen B1. This is the B2. This is the B3, and this is for the orientation, the B4. Okay, so once again, I'm just coming over here and I'm getting for the first position, this will be from the small screen, second, third, and for the orientation. And here I can see, okay, this will be 19. I want to have a little bit more. I make 35, okay, 30 millimeters approximately. And then I just hit generate path. Okay, looks good. So this was the small screen automatically generated path with the first recording. I don't need this, I can delete it. And then I can here say, rename it zigzag small screen, bam. And hopefully you can see here, okay, we generated 2 completely different kind of areas. Here we will have a small problem with the robot. This seems to be too, okay, this even seems to work. Okay, on this simulation. So first we have an outline, then we will fill up this outline, and then we are just coming over to this one. Okay, and right now you can see, okay, all right, here we just have to okay, we just have some points inside which we cannot reach, so we will just simply delete them. I can change here the speed. Okay, the rest seems to be fine. For sure, here for each one you can set add your instructions with the IOs. So here you can switch on the tool. So once again, 1 and 1. And here you can switch off the tool before we go to the home position. Here 1 and 0 and so on. Okay, so you should define it to each program what you created. And now I just collapse this one and this one and this one, and we need one more afterwork tools, and this is the where we can create we can merge robot programs, and these three programs we want to merge, and we want to use the J home as a home position. I will link you for the video as well, where you can find it, how to use the segmentation and the merging of the programs. So we were using the J home. You could use different kind of home positions, and we are using the J home. I just hit OK, and here you will see the main program. And once I hit the main program, then you will see that it goes through first the frame, then the first zigzag, then the second zigzag. And here, this is the main what you want to generate. So here, generate robot program. And within this generated robot program, you will find all the subprograms as well, including all the waypoints and all the instructions. Here, the second one, the zigzag big screen, and here the zigzag small screen. Okay. For sure, you could send it directly to the robot, or as I just generated the robot program, and then you can pass it to your robot via USB or any other connection what you prefer. I hope it helped you a lot, and you got how to manage different kind of recording modes, even with a manual tool. This is the way how we recommend it. If you have additional feature requests for this or any kind of questions, remarks, please comment it below this video. You can subscribe to our channel, and I wish you a lot of success and have fun with Easy Automator. Bye, up to next time.